In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications or alerts from Qwen chat app. So if you've been receiving a lot of alerts from this app, then let me show you how you can put an end or app stop to this permanently. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now to do so, you need to first go ahead and access the Qwen app information page, and you can easily do that through settings. So if I go to settings here, scroll down until you see an option called apps. Now if you tap on it, you'll see this option called manage apps. Depending on your smartphone, I'm using a Redmi smartphone, however this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, go ahead and look for this option or this tool called manage apps or any other related word. Go ahead and tap on it, and it will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your app, and as you can see, my Qwen app is here. If you can't find it, you can also use the search option here to locate it. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it, and this will open the app information page. However, if you can't access this page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and look for your app, and once you find it, go ahead and long press on it, and you'll see we have these three options: share, app info, and uninstall. Go ahead and tap on app info, and it will take you to the same page. Now to stop all those pop-up notifications, go ahead and look for this section called permissions, and under permissions look for notifications option, and as you can see, it is currently turned on and all these notifications are on. To stop alerts, go ahead and toggle off show notifications here, and this will go ahead and turn off all the other notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.